Okay. It's time.
Someone went to Pop Mart. Who's us? We did it.
Most of this is me.
Yeah, I have 2 things and you have like 8.
I have 4.
So we'll let her do all hers first and I'll do mine.
No. We'll do 1 and then you do 1. And then I'll do 3.
I'll do 1.
I'll do mine first.
I was going to get this one too.
Yeah, this is the Hirono series. And this is, and they're spooky. They're all like creepy little monsters. So I really liked the zombie or the vampire. You liked the Grim Reaper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure you tamp them. Good luck.
Ha-ha! That worked.
I don't know if this has cards or not. So
This has a card, yeah. Okay. Could be the zombie. Oh, I didn't show the bag. It has a little Hirono on it.
Is it all same on both sides?
Yes, it is. Okay. All right. I got the zombie. Is there like a little stand you put them on that shines light through them? Because his brain lights up.
I don't know.
He comes with a little bat.
A zombie with a bat? That feels holy.
I got one of the 2 that I wanted.
She's good at getting the ones she wants.
I'm good at getting the ones I want, minus the Zootopia one.
Yeah. You were
I'm pretty upset about that one. Oh no, his little...
Yeah, I didn't put it in very well. We'll just put it right there. All right, so the one I got, I've never actually seen this one before. It's called Chaka. And this one is a Candle Whisper series. So they're all like have like little candle heads.
They're kind of gothy looking. They looked really
like
cute.
fantasy goth.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, it just broke sideways. I think I just saw a little bit of the card. I think I got the thing or something.
They weigh these down. They weigh the boxes down with this little environmental keep things dry. Yeah, the box was super heavy.
Yep, I got the one that was on the box.
Oh, you got the box one. Nice. She's really cute.
Is there more of those? There is. Okay.
So she's got like a little flower crown on her and she's praying.
There's little angel wings.
Little angel wings. She's really pretty.
To be honest, it's the opposite of what I wanted.
I know.
I'm somehow good at getting the opposites of what I want.
Yes. You need to let me pick for you.
I guess so.
Because you told me to like run my hands all over the Hirono boxes and pick the one that like calls to me.
I didn't do that.
You did not. She's got a little, she's so cute.
So yeah, here we go. She has a little candle head. And then she has a little, so just a little stand that says, we got the focus. Okay, I give up on that.
She's so cute. I love her. Okay.
Oh, here's my little card. Here's my card.
So there's this YouTuber, and she's a Twitch streamer that we really like to watch, and she does a lot of Pop Mart unboxing. Her YouTube name is Jody. What's her Twitch name?
Quarter Jade.
Quarter Jade. And she really likes the Pucky series at Pop Mart, and she calls
them her stupid little babies.
Her stupid little babies. She's just like, I love, she's just like, God, they're stupid little babies. I love them so much. So I got a Pucky pendant.
Her own stupid little baby.
Yeah, I got my own stupid little baby so I could start getting Puckies. But I like the pendants better than the vinyls. So, oh, and then these are the different ones you can get. I really want the mushroom one. I think the mushroom one is the cutest. The one I want the least is the one called Leaf. So we'll see what I get. So satisfying.
Let it rip.
Could be. Not the mushroom.
I know what it is.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's the flower.
It's the flower. flower. It's not the mushroom, but it's the flower. And that one's really cute. And they actually have like little wires in the petals.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually really adorable. Stupid baby.
It has the same Pop Mart clip on the top.
Mm-hmm. It's actually
Definitely
really
a lot
cute.
lighter than the other
Yeah.
ones. Mm-hmm.
I actually really like that. The eyes don't move like the skull pandas. See, the trick of the trade here is get one that pick a series that you wouldn't be upset to get any of them, or
a majority of them.
or a majority of them. If there's just like one in the set that you don't want, then there's a good chance you'll get what you want. I mean,
but if there's only one you want in that set, don't get that set.
Yeah, exactly. That's how I've been able to avoid disappointment for the most part. Okay, the next series I got is Why So Serious, which is like a circus collection. So it has a variety of different Pop Mart characters in it. So you see there's a Demu up here, and then there's Twinkle Twinkle, there's Molly, what's it, Hachi Poo Poo, and then there's a Labubu. And then I know the secrets, one is a Twinkle Twinkle and one is a Labubu. So pretty much, I would be pretty much happy with any of these. The Twinkle Twinkle one I think is the one I'd be most disappointed with, but he's still pretty cute.
Yeah.
They're gluing these down too much. They don't pop.
Yeah, the pendant ones, they definitely put a lot of glue and stuff.
Yeah.
These ones have a cool bag.
Yeah, this one has a really nice bag.
Oh yeah.
It's like,
it's not plastic.
it's not
like,
plastic.
It's well, I guess it is plastic,
but
but
it's tied. It's a tie bag, so it's, I don't know.
it's reusable.
It is reusable. All right. Twinkle Twinkle, of course. But he's still cute. It says just smile. He's really, like, they're really high quality. Just like looking at the...
Wow, this hat is very soft.
It's very soft. It's embroidered on his little hat. It's embroidered on his pants. It says just smile. Like, he's just like, all the little bits and pieces to his costume are cute. Like, he's got a little bear on one foot that's embroidered, and it looks like he just has a sock on the other. So, like, while I said I was the most disappointed, I'm still happy with him. Mm-hmm. I think he's still very cute.
I don't know if I can get him to stand up.
No. It just means...
I use bellwether to hold him up.
Yeah, it just means I need to get another one, right? So when you shake them, what you're shaking and listening to is this stupid thing.
I don't mind had this. But yeah, this is very heavy. This is
heavy.
Wow. Yeah, this thing probably weighs a quarter of a pound.
Yeah, and here's a little card for Twinkle Twinkle. It's actually really cute.
And it opens up.
It opens up. It's very cute. I didn't show the cards for the other ones.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Oh, you did? Okay. Even the
I showed them all.
stupid baby? Okay. All right.
I think I showed the baby one. If not, here it is.
Okay. And the final one I got is another Skull Panda, the You Found Me series. I already have one, which was the Moldy Muffin one. So I got that one, and then Josh went and bought Cerberus off of Macari. But I really would like to get Ghosty or Chomp. But again, I would be happy with any of them.
The sticker in this one is really cool. It's
Yeah.
actually
it's
something doggy, little doggy or something, and it looks just like Chomp, but it's black. And then it has a little dog instead of a little random Chomp.
Yes.
I guess you could open this one, but
Okay. Feels fuzzy. Thank you, Peanut. Which I'm not super upset about. I think she's really cute. She's got little peanuts in her eyes.
you're gonna have to get really close to see that probably.
She's got little peanuts for her eyes. Their eyes actually move,
Mm-hmm.
which is kind of funny. You can put them in funny positions. She is soft. Her feet are fuzzy. There's just nice little details. There's a little peanut button on her. You can kind of lift up her little shirt for some reason. And she does have arms underneath that.
It's like a poncho she's wearing.
Yeah. And then she's got like a little creature on one side of her helmet embroidered. They're on both sides. I don't know what they are. But
Little peanut monsters.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. They're like little chumps. They look like the chumps.
I'm
Skull
happy
Panda,
with it.
she's actually an astronaut. Like, so it's actually a space helmet, and these are like, she has pigtails. So these are her little pigtails inside of her helmet, because her helmet has built-in little pigtail holders.
Yes.
So they always use this in the
horns.
design. and stuff.
I love her. I think she's cute. Even though she might have been my least, but I still think she's cute. And then here is the card for Pranky Peanut.
So this is the other one I got, and it is the Big Into Energy.
Labubu.
These are the really famous ones. The one that the secret has like the rainbow teeth and everything, and everyone really wanted. I don't know. We don't have a Labubu yet, so figured I might as well get a Labubu.
We are starting. This is a slippery slope with Pop Mart. We just took one step and then just immediately fell. So
Yeah. All right. Ready?
yes. These don't pop.
Oh, it says a reusable bag as well.
Oh, nice.
I didn't know that.
You can kind of see through
I can
it.
kind of see through it though. Yeah.
That's unfortunate.
Ooh, it's the one I think we wanted too. Like purplish pinky one.
Oh, yeah. She's pretty.
She is very pretty.
I like her. Her eyes are sparkly.
She's like a mix of purples and pinks and like some really light pinks as well. Yeah. Her head moves. She has a hot pink ear and a purple ear.
And her little lanyard is purple too.
Yeah.
She's really cute.
And her thing says the monsters on it. And this one is called Luck.
I think overall we got some really nice polls, even though like maybe I got some least favorites of the collection. I didn't buy the collection unless I wanted a majority of them, or like even if I got the one I was wanted the least, I'd still be happy with it, and I am. But for the most part, I really love the Pucky. I think she's so cute.
And you got your first choice of the...
I got my first choice of the Hirono. I actually kind of wanted the Pranky Peanut. I think she's really cute still. And then Twinkle Twinkle, I think it's like high quality. So I'll just have to get a couple more. Unfortunately.
All right, that's it for this video.